really need help. I can't continue like this. I need help. Mamu! Ay! 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 Hey!
Ngozi, please, I'm so sorry. I didn't want my mother to hear of this.
Oh,
Are you sure it was my brother you saw?
it was him. I couldn't believe it myself until I followed him to where he dropped the load.
Did he see you?
No, I didn't want him to see me.
No. So Vera has finally rendered my brother useless.
Ebere, you need to trace him to find out what went wrong. I could take you to their wheelbarrow stand.
Because please promise me you won't say this to anybody. I don't want my mother to hear of it. She will break down.
You're the only one I've told about it.
Okay, so can we go there tomorrow?
I'll make a chance.
Yeah, okay, no problem. I'll call you later this evening.
No problem. Just tell Mama I've gone.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Take care then. Thank you very much.
Did anything happen?
No, Mama.
Where is Ngozi?
She just left.
Already?
Yes,
But I
Mama.
heard her talking about somebody. Who was that?
Oh, it was her brother, Mama.
Ewo, is he in trouble?
No.
Maduka! Where is this useless gate man? Eh? Maduka! Maduka! Maduka!
Kusi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Who are you?
I'm your daddy.
Our dad. Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Ella, what is it? What is it? Both of you go inside.
Mom, is he your daddy?
Both of you go inside. Yes? What are you doing here?
Why didn't you tell my children who I am?
You have not answered my question. What are you doing here?
Vera, why are you treating me like this? I am still your husband. And those kids are mine.
Well said. Now leave before my mother sees you.
I will not leave. I'm going nowhere till you tell them who I am.
Fine. I will tell them that you are their father. Can you go now?
No.
What? Yeah? Vera, who brought this apple here? Huh?
I am here to see my children.
Which children? The ones you have been taking care of, or which ones? You have seen them, right? You can go. Leave!
I am not going anywhere.
How did this man even enter here? I don't know, Mom. And he has refused to leave.
Till I see my children. I'm going nowhere.
Call your father and tell him what is going on.
Alright.
Bring them down. I want to see them.
He's our dad.
He's not.
He's our dad.
He's
Yes.
not.
What's
Mom,
the
is
argument about?
Mom, is it our dad? Tell us.
Okay. I will tell you later. Go to your room now.
Okay.
You need to see my in-law's reaction when he saw me.
You mean you remained there until their father came back?
I said to myself that enough is enough.
Now tell me, what was the man's reaction when he saw you? Did he kick you out?
It wasn't easy. My wife and the mother wanted me out. But the man was like, they should allow me, they should let me be. And I asked them to leave us, that he wants to have a word with me.
Just like that?
Yes, just like that. But do you know what?
What?
My wife's mother protested against it. But the man still told the wife to let me be. And asked me to always come around to see my children whenever I want. I couldn't just believe it.
Are you serious?
Omeleme life. How? Do you know that Chifude was that man that never wanted to see me around his household?
Yes. I know about that. That's why I'm surprised. I'm surprised that the man is telling you all this.
Anyway, my joy now is that my children now know their father. You understand? I can be able to see my children, so I'm happy. I'm happy once again.
I'm very happy for you. But you haven't said one thing.
What's that?
Mazemo the pass. What was your wife's reaction when all this was happening? When she saw you, what did she do?
Vera wasn't happy. She wasn't happy at all. But I know with time, she'll get over it.
Okay.
At least I'm happy once again. I'm happy once again.
I'll go away, yes, game. I'm so happy for you.
I cannot see my children. You can see my children and my children know me now.
I'm so happy for you.
Happy.
Egg for me.
colleagues. They said they don't know where he is and he has not been to work for 2 days.
So my brother is actually pushing a wheelbarrow.
Thank God you confirmed for yourself. I wish they know where he stays.
I can't believe this. How will my mother feel if she hears of it?
You need to keep away from her for now. At least we might be lucky. Let's just walk down that road. Okay? Put yourself together.
Will you get that your dirty buttocks off my seat? Are you mad?
Good afternoon. Good day, ma'am.
Listen, next time you come here, if you must sit on the floor.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Hold me, Mumwa. Hi.
Daddy.
Go see.
Hey! There's no time for that. Go out. Wait for me outside. I'll join you. Go outside and wait for me.
Bye, Dad.
Why must you do a thing like that? Why?
What are you still doing here? Can't you see we are going out?
I'll wait for you here till you come back.
Naboy.
Bevan.
My friend, leave my father's compound. Leave my father's house.
I'm not going anywhere. I'll wait for you here.
Izuogo. I will push you. Leave my father's house.
Please, I want to watch my wife.
Good for nothing man.
Daddy, are you not coming with us?
Huh?
Daddy, now come with us.
I will come with you, but not today.
Daddy, why are you not staying with us?
I will come back tomorrow, okay? And I'll buy biscuit for both of you.
Buy burger.
Burger?
Daddy will buy.
Come here. Why are you still here? Leave now.
Won't you allow me to talk with my kids?
Mommy, why are you shouting at Daddy?
Allow me to talk to my children. I will buy burger for you.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye. I will buy you burger.
I said you should go. What are you? Is this your house? Just... Hey, baby. Yes, we are ready. Oh, you are the gates. Outside the gates. Okay. You will see us now. Alright. Kisses. Okay.
You're looking hot as always. Let's not waste time. Let's go.
Okay. Let's go inside.
You know what? I just got this new baby,
I can see.
and I want you to be the first person to give us a ride in it. Hmm?
It's our pleasure. Kisses, baby. Mwah. I'm gonna drive us.
Drive me crazy, baby. Yeah?
this is not the same man that always come to look for my wife. Now he's here to take her out.
Wickedness, selfishness, heartless. That's what she gives. No happiness, only sadness and fallenness. Every day, wickedness, selfishness, and heartless. It's what she gives. No happiness, only bitterness and fallenness.
If my children had known how many miles I trek to come here, they would pity me. They would just pity me.
Tears and sorrow is what she gives to me. Heaven knows I try to make it work, but it seems she never cared for me. Happiness is
Izuaku. Izuaku.
Papa. Papa, you called me.
Yes.
Papa, you look worried. Is everything?
I'm okay. Everything's alright.
Everything's
alright.
Everything is alright.
Yes, I think I overworked myself in this farm today.
Sorry.
I've overworked myself in the farm today.
Are you coughing again? Huh? What is this?
My son.
You see why I say you shouldn't go to that farm? Eh? Because of your health challenges.
I'm okay.
And you insist, look at it, that you're coughing again.
You think you can work in the farm in this your condition? But no, I have my son here.
I would have tried.
Yes. Oh, I am very proud of you, son. You made me very proud. That shows you are hardworking. I'm very proud of you.
Like to say, like father, like son.
You can't say that again.
I'm sorry.
You see why I said you shouldn't go? Because of your health issue.
I'm okay. Now, you must keep up your good behavior. And promise me that promise me that you will not abandon your mother and your brother or sister.
I promise, Papa.
When I am gone.
Gone to where? Where are you planning to go?
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
What this promise and covenant and vow? Are you people doing wedding or what? Take it vow. Why you go and bring me water? Go and bring me water. Why are you coughing like that? What is it? Izago! Hurry now! Hurry with the water! Go. Izago! Manager, drink now. Drink now. Drink now. Drink this water. I beg you, just drink this water. Drink this water. Don't drink it now.
My son has abandoned me at last. All this wouldn't have happened if my husband were to be alive. Isaac.
amongst you messed the kitchen up? Hmm? I have told you that the kitchen is not a playground. Who did it?
Usela. It's Kusi. Kusi, you see her lying.
She's lying. How many times have I warned you to stop playing in that kitchen? Have you ever seen your mom sweep that kitchen for once? Eh? You have not, right? So, why did you mess it up? I'm asking you, why did you mess it up? Come here, come here. Why did you mess that kitchen up? Why? Eh?
I'm talking to you, Cindy. Why did you beat my children?
Go to the kitchen and see how they messed the whole place up.
And so? Is that enough reason for you to beat them? Don't you know they are kids?
Kids my fault.
How dare you?
Vera, did you just slap me?
Yes, I did. I did. And if you lay your useless hands on my kids again, I will skin you alive.
Then teach them good manners.
What is going on? Mom, what is it? What, Cindy? She's overstepping her bounds in this house. She beats my children at every slightest thing they do.
And that is because you have failed to teach them good manners. Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Mom, allow me! Allow me!
Touch me!
Allow me, Mom! Allow me!
Allow you beat up your younger sister?
Warn her. Warn her! I will not take it again from her. Rubbish.
Did you really beat her children?
Mom, those kids are becoming nuisance in this house. They keep messing everywhere up.
Take it easy with them. They are mere children. You were once like them, messing everywhere up. I don't want this problem in this house again.
Okay, Mom. Vera slapped me.
Go and clean up their mess in the kitchen.
Okay, Mom.
Taking me? Where are you taking me?
No, we're going to the hospital. Eh?
Ah,
the fever is getting too much on you.
No, just call Azodo for me. Call Azodo for me. Call Azodo.
Okay.
I cannot walk. I cannot walk. I cannot walk. Oh, ayo. Ewo. Hi.
I have to go to the hospital first. You need medical attention.
Just call Azodo for me. Come and help me. I cannot walk. Okay. I cannot walk. I cannot walk.
Oh, sorry. Okay, Mama, you have to wait for me. Let me go look for a bike. Please wait for me. Eh?
What I'm trying to tell you is stop going there and reducing yourself to nothing. Eh? Stop reducing yourself by going there every day.
I am going there because of my children. I drive joy in seeing them.
I know they are your children. Nobody's dragging it with you. They are your children. When the time comes, they will run back to you.
Ikobi, these children, for now, they are a source of my happiness. Okay? Whenever I set my eyes on them, it gives me joy.
Well, I know about that. After all said and done. My main concern now is your mother. You need to travel to the village to see that woman.
Wait. You mean I should travel to the village in this my condition? Eh? Ah, I thought you meant well for me. I thought you were my friend.
Ijogo, there is nothing wrong in what I just told you now. This woman is your mother. You've not seen her or spoken with her for 7 good years.
I know.
You need to go and see her.
I know. My mother is alright. She's fine.
Are you sure? How did you know?
I'm not here to argue with you.
Oh. When I was in past, you're not angry because I told you the truth,
Wait. Ikobi, tell me. Tell me, what have you ever done for me since I'm in this condition as your friend? Apart from taking me to the bar, then you some money. Now about money. Eh? What have you done for me?
I'm your friend. Nah, I'm not going to opinion. I'm your friend. All I've done so far is to advise you so things to get better.
Why is your face like? Why are you panicking?
Uncle, it's my mother. Oh, she's in the hospital. Oh, she's seriously sick.
Is that why you are crying? Don't worry, she will be alright. Huh?
Uncle, she said I should call you. The way she's sounding, Uncle, I don't think she will make it.
Don't say that. She will make it. She will be alright. Huh? Meanwhile, let me go in and dress so that we'll go. Huh?
Okay, Uncle.
Stop panicking. Huh?
I'll wait for you here.
Yeah, you just wait.
Uncle, please be fast.
Oh.
Mama.
Mommy, why didn't Dad come to visit us today?
He will come tomorrow.
Mommy, is it Daddy you're calling on the phone?
No.
Mommy, please, can I have your phone? I want to call Daddy to ask him why he didn't come to visit us.
Go see.
Please.
Go to your room now.
Okay, Mom.
Ogam Namdi, because you're a young guy like me. Yeah, you know, we all of us, we did street the hustle. You know as they be now, eh? Help me talk to your father to calm down for some time. I will run around for the money and bring it for him.
My father said I should let you know. You have to pack out from this house today. As I'm talking to you now, a new tenant is there. He's packing in any moment from now.
Well, I don't collect money for the new tenant.
Already.
It's not fair now, Nandi. Talk to your father for me now.
I'm just passing a message.
Please, no, it's not.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Be warned.
Nandi, you're a guy like me. Nandi, talk to your father for me now. You yourself, you go stay for person house tomorrow. You don't collect money. Hey!
Please help us. What is going on?
My mother! Uncle, my mother is sick. My life is shattered.
No.
My mother. Mama! Where's my mother? Where's my mother? My mother! Mama!
Stop doing this. Yes.
Uncle, I'm finished.
No. Don't say that.
Mama! Mama!
Here.
Mama!
Put yourself together.
Mama, please, you can leave me! Mama!
Get up. Yeah, I know that.
Where's my mother?
That's
okay. Put yourself together.
There's nothing we can do about it.
Mama!
gate locked outside.
Excuse me, mother. My name is Emeka and I live around here. Please, I would advise you to leave this place immediately before you implicate yourself. This house was seized up by the police.
Why?
Say the owner of the house was arrested yesterday for kidnapping offense. He's a kidnap kingpin.
Kidnap what? So, do you know who you're talking about?
Madam, I would advise you to leave this place. Because if you are caught here, you'll be a serious problem. Just leave for your own good.
Wait. Kidnap kingpin.
Isaac. Isaac.
Pascal.
It's me.
Cello. Pascal is you.
It's me.
Hey,
flesh and blood.
Hey, okay.
My man. Nah.
Pascal. Are you doing what I'm saying?
Flesh and blood. What are you doing here?
Pascal, life. What kind of living? Now I'm happy to see you.
Get in. Go.
Can someone tell me that this is a dream so I can wake up from it? I've been dealing with a deadly kidnapper. God, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Lara, are you alright? I'm fine.
Mom, what is wrong with Farah?
She said she was fine, but I know that she's hiding something.
She doesn't look happy at all.
I know. She's hiding something from me.
Mom, please, go and talk to her, okay? Before she will look for who to transfer her aggression to.
Is this your house?
Nah, of course.
Pascal, wait. So this
relax. You need to relax.
Relax,
It's dog. How long now?
I can look at you.
Leave me alone, man. You're welcome.
Pascal, I can't believe this. I can't believe this, Pascal. Wait. Tell me the truth. Is this your house? That's guy, you finished. Money is good. Money is good.
If I want them.
Don't worry, headache. No, you gotta.
There is a lot to eat.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
But first of all, we need to clean you up.
Alright.
Let's wait for me.
I'm coming.
It's
okay.
Mama, why did you have to leave me? Mama, I have no one to console me. The only brother I have is nowhere to be found. What kind of life is this, God?
Well, how long will you remain crying? Hmm? No amount of tears will bring your mother back. So stop crying.
I can't bear this. The pain is too much on me. I can't.
I know how you feel. I feel the same pain too. But there is nothing we can do about this. Huh? So stop crying. You know?
Go have my mother leave me. She was the only one I have in my life.
I know. I know that. I know, but there is nothing we can do to reverse this. Huh? Do not cry any longer. Don't cry.
My mother wouldn't have died if she had listened to me and stopped worrying herself about my brother.
What has happened has happened. Stop crying. Huh? Stop crying. Stop crying.
I've had to stop my brother. It's so touching indeed. So sorry for what happened to you.
Pascal, I've been passing through hell. I lost my dignity as a man.
1 minute.
I can't even go to the village to see my mother because I'm ashamed of myself.
This is what I've always told people. The downfall of a man is not the beginning of his life. I know you must have learned a lot about what happened to you at the past. It's done. So it's well.
Pascal, my case is beyond that.
It's alright. I'm happy we met. Like everything worked like God planned. Like I'm happy I come into your life to rescue you at this point in time. I was supposed to travel a day before yesterday, but my ticket was cancelled.
You don't mean it?
Of course. Listen, I have to cancel my ticket just to settle your mother.
Pascal, wait. If you're saying this to ask Vera to come back, Pascal, she's not going to listen to you.
I'm not talking about Vera.
Okay.
Okay, I'm talking about opening a business for you. Listen, I cannot forget in a hurry what you did for me when I was about traveling to Malaysia. I was financially down, but you came to my rescue.
Pascal, that was in the past. You were talking about 15 years ago. That was in the past.
And I'm getting the person now. All quality for only for the other man.
I know.
So I can never forget what you did for me. Like, it's unforgettable.
I know.
Stand me.
That's that we thank God. Most importantly, we are alive today.
I thank God that we met. I understand. This is a check of form that I don't know if it's gonna be enough, but I know it will go a long way. Use it for our business.
Pascal.
It's not like
4 million naira for me?
Yes, not.
Oscar. Oh.
It's okay, calm down. Listen. So, you are indeed a friend.
Oh, Oscar.
I want to tell you this thing. I bought this house the last time I came back from Malaysia. I want you to feel at home. Okay? It's your house for now. I would want you... Listen, can you calm down? It's okay. Calm down. I want you to run your business from here for now. Feel comfortable, feel at home.
Thank you. It's okay. Okay. Thank you. So, I don't even know how to thank you. I don't even...
Daddy, will you carry us in your car?
Yeah, Daddy, please carry us.
Of course I will. You're my kids, you're my children, you're my angel. And you're my guy. So I'll carry you guys, okay? Yeah? My boy. That's my girl. So this thing you guys are going to enjoy it. And
Mommy, I'm so happy for Daddy.
Hi.
Daddy, Mommy is not happy because you have not been visiting her for a long time now.
yes, it's just because Daddy have been busy all this while.
Okay, so are you going to apologize to Mommy?
Of course, I will.
Yeah.
You're a good man.
Yes, he's a good man.
Yeah, I know. As you can see, I bought all these for you so you can eat, get strong, and get fat. Whoa. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah. These are for the kids. Okay? And here is 100,000 naira. Have it. Go on. You can use it for their upkeep. And this is my card too. I have my address there, and whatever you need to know about me, it's there. Just give me a call, and you can come visiting with the kids anytime you wish. Okay? Okay?
I know I've wronged you many times. I cannot even count it again.
Are you saying that Izuogu brought this money and the provision I saw inside?
Yes, Mom.
How? How come? Where did he get the money from?
Here is his business card.
How come? He has gone back to business. How come?
I don't know.
Your children even told me that he came in a new car.
Yes. Behind the card is his residential address. He said I can bring the kids anytime I want.
And he didn't tell you any other thing?
I was so dumbfounded to ask him questions.
This is so unbelievable. Izuogu.
Mama? Mama? Ebere? Where are they? Are they all sleeping? Mama, oh. Mama. Bye. Hey, bye. Where is Mama? And what are you doing here? Why are you crying?
So you are still alive?
I'm alive.
Then what can I get again for? You are a wicked man.
Where is Mama? Mary.
I know I've wronged you many times. I cannot.
Ha! Oh, I go play Liverpool Man City. 2.5. No. 3-1 correct score. 3-1 correct score. Enimba. Who are they fine? Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. I'm looking for Mr. Izogo.
Ha! Mr. Izogo. You sure say you know the miss road?
I know the miss road. He's my husband.
You're waiting. Your husband? I'm not waiting. I'm going to go call her. I dey come. I'm not waiting. I'm going to tell my person to find her. I'm not. Say, ma, Karina coming. Say, ma,
I know I failed you. I don't even know how to start to apologize. I'm so sorry for all the things I have done, and I wish to make it up to you. I'm so sorry for all the things I have done, and I wish to make it up to you. I wish I saw the future. I will not give up on you. I was so selfish to see how much you love me. I know I've wronged you many times. I cannot even count.
What happened to her?
Mom, where is she? What have you come here to do? Vera, leave my brother alone.
He can no longer marry a wicked and heartless woman like you.
Excuse me.
Excuse you what? Vera, I will never ever in my life forgive you. Because you have a hand in the high blood pressure that claimed my mother's life. Never!
She's dead.
It is over between you and my brother. Yes. And as for the kids, he will come get them when he's ready for it. Now leave. Vera! Can't you get it? He can no longer talk to you. Now leave here, else I will push you out.
Why are you chasing my mother away?
Bella, please take the keys to the living room upstairs, okay? Please go.
I know I've wronged you many times. I cannot even count it again. Count it again. I know I've failed you. I don't even know how to start to apologize. Apologize. Oh, I'm so sorry for all the things.
My husband. My love. I'm sorry for all I have done. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I have realized all my mistakes. Please.
Vera, just stand up and leave. I have nothing to tell you.
I'll go. But I just want to know that you have forgiven me. Please. Please.
What you and your family made me pass through is beyond forgiveness. I lost my mother because of what she made me went through.
I'm sorry.
Vera, could you have been doing this if I were in my former position? Because you see things are getting better. You are not kneeling down here begging me.
Listen, my love, my mother misled me. Please, but all that is in the past now. I'm sorry. I'm a changed person, please.
Vera, it's too late. You can get up and leave. My children will stay back.
Please, I'm sorry. Please.
Vera, see what you've done to yourself. I loved you and your family. Just look at you.
Please. I'll make up for everything. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Please, I beg you.
I lost my mother because of what you and your family made me went through. All I could get from you was heartbreak. You left me for another man because of his money. So where is he now? Where is he? Nowhere to be found. Or you think I didn't hear of his arrest? You think I didn't know? Please leave.
Love, baby. Please, I'm sorry. I love you so much. Don't do this to me, please.
I know I've failed you. I don't even know how to start to apologize. Apologize.
My husband, she has been like this since she came back. I've asked her what the problem is, but she refused to talk to me. She did not even come back with the children.
Vera, what's the matter? Where are the kids?
Talk now.
Mother, let me be. Leave me alone. I'm suffering today because of you. You broke my marriage with your evil advice.
Vera!
I lost everything because of you. You're an evil mother. God will judge you.
Remind mom, we are here as a family to ask you to forgive us. To err is human, but to forgive is divine. So please, find a place in your heart. Forgive our daughter and take her back as your wife, please.
Isibogo, honestly, I don't know where to start from. I'm truly ashamed of myself. My husband has said it all. Please forgive us. Forgive our daughter and take her back. Please.
Uncle, please, we are begging you. Become, please.
Okay. You people are asking me for forgiveness. To forgive you and your daughter. Okay, that's nice. Good one. What about my dead mother? Are you people going to bring her back to life? No, answer me.
My love, I'm sorry. I know I'm not worthy to be your wife again. But please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I promise to make up for all the years. Please. Please.
Ogo nwoke, biko gbaghara. Ndị Igbo tụkwara n'ilu sị na obido tata dịka mma, obido gboo. Oh, gbaghara.
Darling, are you not done with them?
Yeah, I'm done with them. Where are my kids?
Yeah, I think that's your stuff.
That's good. Vera, as you can see, somebody that is worth being a wife has taken your position. And the children love her. And she's happy with them too. She's really taking care of them. Yes. Chief, with all due respect, sir, this meeting is over. I'm done. You people can leave now. Let's go. Let's go.
I know I've wronged you many times. I cannot even count it again. Count it again. I know I've failed.
Please. I'm a changed person. Please don't do this to me, please.
It's okay, I've forgiven you. It's okay. But you can go now. It's okay.
Sister, please, let's go.
Take care of yourself.
I know I've failed you. I don't even know how to start to apologize. Apologize. I'm so sorry for all the things I have done, and I wish to make it up to you. I'm so sorry for all the things I have done, and I wish make it up to you. I wish I saw the future. I will not give up on you. I was so selfish to see how much you love me. I know I've wronged you many times. I cannot even count it again. Count it again. I know I failed you. I don't even know how to start to apologize. Apologize. Oh. I'm so sorry for all the things I have done, and I wish to make it up to you. I'm so sorry for all the things I have done, and I wish to make it up to you. I wish I saw the future. I will not give up on you. I was so selfish to see how much you love me.